Babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring YWigs. Big thank you to YWigs for sponsoring another video, and let's get into this look. So the hair that I'm currently rocking is a crochet boho bob. These are individual crochet boho bob. I have 4 packs and this is in the 10-inch. So these only come to 10 inches, so this is going to get you that boho bob. But I tried this viral hack. Just listen. So this is my braid pattern. This originated from someone else. I will include her Instagram in the description box, but this method uses a beader which helps you feed in multiple braids at one time. So I used about 10 braids at a time and slid it onto my braids with the beader, and then the way you secure it is by using a rubber band or a hair tie and bringing the 2 braids together in the back. So as you can see, I just used the beader and I added the braids to it, and then I used the beader and added the braids to my braid. Now I'm going to repeat that on the other side, and then I'm going to use a rubber band to bring the 2 pieces together. When I tell you this cut the styling or install for this style time in half, I was done in less than an hour. So here I just take the 2 braids and then I tie those together, and then I tuck those in, and I'm going to add those into the next ponytail that I tied together on the next row. So basically I'm going to repeat that until I get to the top, and I do have the stitch foundation in the front, so the front is still going to give that look of illusion braids. So this hack just saved me so much time. Shout out to sis that started this, because listen, although the crochet method saves you time, this saves you even more time. So yes, I love that. So the best thing about this install method is that it does no damage to your crochet braids, and you can reuse them time and time again. And I love that, because with the original stitch method, sometimes you manipulate the actual crochet hoop so much and then the hair gets a little messy. But with this method, you don't have that issue. So I absolutely love that. And it is way less tension on the hair. I know a lot of people ask me that over on TikTok about the foundation and the tension, but with this method, you do not have all that tension. So you can choose how many packs you need. On the website, you can choose 40, which is 1 pack, or you can get up to 4. I think 4 is perfect for a super full boho bob. I did use about all of the 4 packs to achieve this look. And then when I was done, I did my regular styling with water and mousse, and I love the way this came out. Listen, the boho bob is so cute. So once again, I'm going to walk you through it. I take the actual beader and I slide the crochet braids onto it. Now I take the beader and that's going to help me slide it onto my hair. And here I just secure it and voila. So this is the last of the back. And then once I'm done with this, I do fill in that top section where my stitch braids meet the other braids. I fill that in using the crochet hook. So you can add in pieces as you go, and you definitely want to do that to camouflage it, because you don't want anyone clocking your tea. But I'm going to have all the links down in the description box, including the original video. Definitely stay tuned to the end, because I do show you some different ways you can style this hair. You are not limited with hairstyles just because of the install method. So big thank you to YWigs once again. Shout out to y'all. I will add this to my braided playlist, so definitely go over there and check that out. I have quite a few different braided styles and other install methods for the crochet braids. And yeah, while you're over there, drop a heart, drop a comment, drop a like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.